this video, we will show you how to update WordPress website. To update WordPress website, we can using two methods. First, using automatically update in the dashboard, we can click this button update now, or we can using our cPanel and open file manager, then replace all these files with the newest version. For example, let's do them manually, because the automatic is very easy. After you download the packages on the wordpress.org/download, you can upload the file in here. After file completed upload like this, you can go back and extract the WordPress package. You can click close and open the folder. In here, you will find wp-config. You can just delete this. This is important. And move these files into our WordPress websites that we want to update. Okay, this is before we reload, and let's see update WordPress database. Continue. Now our WordPress has been updated successfully. You can update automatically via dashboard, or you can update manually via your file manager on your control panel. But the important thing, please, if you have wp-config.php on your new WordPress version, you need to delete them, because wp-config contains your username, password, and etc. that is important for your database.